Poisson braisé avec la bière.
Yes, so I'm dancing today because I have roasted fish and pressed plantains on the menu. Yes, I'm gonna be sharing my roasted fish recipe. For this recipe, I am using red snapper and red fish. It is so yummy. Actually, I had to fast an entire day yesterday so that I could just sit down and enjoy this meal. I cannot come and kill myself anyway, so I am using red snapper and red fish. And these are the spices. I will share the list of ingredients in the description box. Be sure to check that out. So I am just adding some olive oil to the spices, and then I will cook them kind of over medium heat just to have the spices infuse the oil and soften a little bit, and then I will blend them, and that will be the marinade. So I'm using ginger, garlic, PEBE, thyme, a little bit of jansa in here. So again, cook it on low heat, and then I'll show you what I do with it. Fish is generally very low in calories and high in nutrients, high in protein. So if you're trying to manage your weight, including a lot of fish in your diet is a good thing to do for weight management and for health in general. The recommendation is to have like fish at least twice a week. So there you go. What I'm doing right here is just mopping up excess moisture using a paper towel. And as you can see, I am working on parchment paper. It just makes cleanup easy. You want to generously season your fish. And I did make some slits, cut some slits in the fish using a sharp knife to facilitate the seasoning process. Again, generously season your fish with salt. I'm using salt, black pepper, and white pepper to season the fish directly. I am also wearing a pair of gloves, as you can see, on one hand, just to avoid some of that messiness. If you don't have gloves, that is fine. Wash your hands and use your bare hands. Not a problem. So my oil is done infusing, and I just fished out the thyme from there, and I will stuff the cavity of the fish with it and some of the sliced lemons. So this just adds some extra flavor. I'm dumping the rest of the ingredients that I infuse into a small blender. Add half of the juice of half of a lemon, and then I also added parsley, more black pepper, more white pepper, some salt and seasoning cube, and blended that with some water. And that is my marinade. Once you have your marinade ready, again, go ahead and marinate your fish, just some of that excess infused oil. Take your time to apply the marinade. That's what makes the fish taste so yummy. Don't forget to marinate all of the cavities of the fish. Yes, in Africa, we do eat every part of the animal. If a fish is going to sacrifice its life, we're going to enjoy the whole entire thing. So we roast the fish with the head. I'm going to be broiling our fish in the oven. And as you can see here, I lined up a big baking tray with aluminum foil. And I'm just layering on some vegetables. Here I used bell peppers, different colors, some onions, and tomatoes. You can use whatever vegetables you have. So we're just forming a bed to put the fish on so that it soaks up some of that flavor that comes from the fish. And then you have your vegetables to go with your fish. Easy, huh? Make sure you season the vegetables with some salt and pepper and a little bit of oil. Yeah, I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever good quality oil you have. Our fish is ready for the oven. And I'm going to be broiling this. I will put it right in the middle because the fish is big. This is like 3 and 4 pound fish, so that it actually really cooks well. Let me show you how the fish looks like right now. It has been like 19 minutes. You see that? See that? See that? See that? I think I'll give it another 5 minutes. Yeah. Meanwhile, let us do the pressed plantains. I'll be using green plantains and I will roast this in the air fryer. Peel the plantains, roast it, and then show you how I do the pressed plantains. You know, the Cameroonian style with oil. Yeah. I'm so excited. Basically, been fasting all day for this meal. So yes, ma'am. It's been about 25 minutes and it's time to flip the fish over. As you can see, I am using a plate to help me facilitate that process. Be very careful so you don't burn yourself. Continuously add marinade. Just keep brushing some of that marinade on your fish so that it's so flavorful. Yes, I'm dancing today. This fish I have been craving for a very, very long time. Please don't laugh at me. Just dance like nobody's watching. Who cares? So our fish is ready and our pressed plantains are ready. It is time to dig in. This is so yummy. I have added some of that extra green sauce, the seasoning, a little bit of mayo, some pepper sauce, some of that vegetables. Look at that. So yummy. We're all ready to dig in and you are invited to participate. I hope I have inspired your dinner for today. If you do make this, please be sure to let me know. Do not forget to like this video. Please share it with your friends and family and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and catch you in my next video. Bye bye.